In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Google Chat to compact view so you can see more conversations on screen. If you spend a lot of time in Google Chat, tightening up the layout can make a big difference. Compact view reduces extra spacing so more conversations fit into the same window. It's especially handy on smaller laptops or when you're juggling multiple threads throughout the day. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. First, open Google Chat. Use the web app in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where your conversations and spaces are visible. Next, look for the Settings gear icon. You'll find this in the upper right corner of the chat window. It's a small gear symbol that opens your preferences. Go ahead and click it to open the Settings panel. Inside Settings, navigate to the section labeled Appearance. This is where Google Chat groups visual preferences that control how things look and how much information fits on screen. If you've never explored this area before, it's worth noting that Appearance focuses on layout and readability, so any changes here only adjust what you see, not what others see. Now, in the Appearance section, choose Compact. The moment you select Compact, the interface will tighten spacing around your chats and messages. You should immediately notice that more conversations fit into the list without scrolling as much. That's the goal. See more chats on screen at a glance. It's a small change that can have a big impact on how quickly you move through your day. As you look around, pay attention to how the list condenses and how message previews might show a bit less padding between lines. This is normal and part of how Compact View creates more room. If you thrive on scanning multiple threads quickly, this layout often feels faster and more efficient. A couple of quick tips. Compact View affects only your account's layout, so it won't change how anyone else sees their chat. If you share your screen during meetings, others will simply see your denser view. Also, Compact is great for productivity, but if you ever feel text is a bit tight, you can return to Appearance and switch back to a more spacious option for readability. Your choice here is all about comfort and efficiency. That's all there is to it. By opening Google Chat, clicking the Settings gear, going to Appearance, and selecting Compact, you've optimized your workspace to see more chats on screen without sacrificing clarity.